Today's video is all about this simple exercise that can burn more calories than 30 minutes of running. Do you want to tone your whole body, improve your cardiovascular fitness, and burn calories? There's no need to sweat for hours at the gym or spend a fortune on home exercise equipment. The only thing you're going to need is a jump rope. That's right. A skipping rope is not just for kids. It is proven to have many benefits and is an excellent complement to other exercises. I will tell you about the amazing benefits of jumping rope and teach you how to do it correctly so that you see the results as quickly as possible. Plus, I'll be giving you some bonus tips at the end of this video, so better stick around. Before you start watching, remember to subscribe and switch on the notifications. This way you won't miss anything exciting that can happen to your healthy lifestyle every day. Jumping rope is an excellent way to burn calories. There are studies suggesting that 10 minutes of jumping rope is as efficient as 30 minutes of jogging in terms of cardiovascular improvement and calorie burn. Skipping rope burns approximately 330 calories, while jogging burns 270 calories. Jumping rope doesn't require a lot of space or time, so you can exercise anywhere and anytime. Bad weather is no longer an excuse. It works several muscle groups at once, like it tones your arms, legs, back, abs, bum, and shoulders. Even a child can do it. The technique is very simple to implement, and it doesn't matter what your age, shape, or current fitness level is. Jumping rope not only works your muscles evenly, but it also improves your coordination, dynamic balance, and reflexes. Here's the fun part. You can do it alone or with friends. This exercise is not only effective, but also fun and enjoyable. Liking the video? Watch until the end and share it to your friends to help the channel, and don't forget to like this video. Now, here's what you need to know before you get started. Choose the right jump rope. If you have the opportunity, buy it in a sporting goods store where you can get advice on picking the right length, handle, material. Wear shoes without padding. You can also jump barefoot, which is even better, but we do not advise you to try it until you master the technique. Keep your head straight and look ahead. Do not look down. Your torso should be straight and your knees slightly bent. Keep your elbows close to your body. Grip the handles with your fingers, not your palms. Use your wrists to spin the rope, not your arms. Use the front of your feet to propel you and to land. Your heels should never touch the ground when skipping. You don't have to jump very high, it is sufficient for you to jump 3 to 4 centimeters. Once you have mastered the basic jump, you can try other jump rope techniques. And as promised, here are the bonus tips for you. I'll be sharing 3 jump rope tricks that you can learn and use anywhere to make your workouts more effective. 1. Jump rope jacks. Jump rope jacks are fun for all levels of jumpers. This jump rope exercise will improve your coordination and give you a fun new way to do your basic jumps. Along with the alternate foot step, this is a great exercise to add after you learn the basic jump. 2. Jump rope high knees. The high knee step is a higher intensity variation of the alternate foot step jump. This skipping exercise will get your heart rate up quickly and give you the ability to do some really effective fat-burning workouts. Incorporate this trick into your jump rope cardio routine. 3. Jump rope side swing. The side swing is a simple exercise that will make it. Not only does it look sleek, it gives you the ability to actively rest during your workout. When used with heavy ropes, side swings can also offer an upper body workout anywhere. There you go, healthy hubbers. I hope you get value in this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell for you to be updated every time I upload a new video. Now I want you to watch this next video because it will help you to get the result that you're after. Go ahead and click it right now, and I'll see you on the next video.